What's up guys, Ryan with the MXG channel, back today with another December release from KTM Group. It's the 2023 Husqvarna FC450 Rockstar Edition. If for some reason you're not familiar, this is the equivalent to the KTM Factory Edition 450. And let me tell you, this year the bike looks sweet. Now it doesn't have that excitement factor that the KTM does, and I think that's probably because it's not that bright orange with all the orange anodized stuff. It's more of a sleeker, classier look, black and white. That FMF exhaust does stand out a lot though. But Husky kept their 2023 body style very similar to their 19 to 22. So if you didn't know any better, you could glance at this and not even realize that it's a 23. But it definitely looks sleek, it looks cool, and we have a couple new additions this year, similar to the ones I talked about on the KTM yesterday. But that FMF exhaust, guys, adds just the right amount of contrast with the blue and the red and the yellow and the logo and the can. I think it looks way better than the Akrapovic would have looked, if they ever put one of those on a Husky. You also get the Husky Factory Racing Recluse clutch cover instead of the Henson on the KTM. Looks similar, looks awesome. Now the Husky press release says that the bike this year is equipped with a new silencer, new wheels, some new protective parts, and revised suspension settings. Now that's something I want to key on really quick because this confusion happens every year with the suspension on the factory editions, on the Rockstar editions. 3, 2, 1. Now this is something I want to hit on real quick because I get this confusion every year about the Rockstar editions. Everyone wanting to know, are the suspensions on the Rockstar editions lowered like the Husky base models? No, as far as I'm aware, that's not the case on the Rockstar editions. They are the same height as the KTM motorcycles and also have different valving than the base models and all that. Husky says specifically, revised shim stack settings inside the WP Exact 48 front forks and Exact rear shock enhance the balance of the 450 Rockstar Edition to ensure improved stability at high speed without affecting its cornering ability. Alright, so let's go through the technical highlights here. New Rockstar Energy Husky Factory Racing graphics, new factory racing wheel set with Excel rims and black anodized CNC machined hub. Maybe somebody can leave a comment down below and let me know what wheels they had last year, because I can't remember. I thought they had these same wheels last year, but maybe they had DIDs or something. FMF Racing 4.1, Recluse outer clutch cover, new 2K carbon composite skid plate, new 2K carbon composite front brake disc guard, body work designed to encourage easier rider movement on the motorcycle, hydroformed chromium frame for improved anti-squat behavior, die-cast aluminum swing arm provides strength and flex at a low weight, 450cc single overhead cam engine, quick shift. I talked about that in the KTM release yesterday. If you want to know my thoughts on the quick shift, I have a video dedicated to it, and I hit it yesterday in the KTM video. You've got your multifunctional map switch, which activates the quick shifter, traction control, and launch control. The factory racing CNC machine triple clamps with adjustable offset, 20-22 millimeter. The factory start device, the soft gray ODI lock-ons, the Guts factory racing high grip seat cover, the Pro Taper bar and bar pad, and then electric starter powered by a lightweight lithium ion 2.0 amp hour battery. Floating front brake disc, aluminum polyamide hybrid subframe, and then the WP Exact 48 front forks and Exact rear shock. So everybody asks me, what's the major differences between the Husky and KTM now? Really not a lot. In the past, the big decision factor, usually between a KTM and a Husky, was that subframe. The KTM had the aluminum, more of the standard subframe we've seen over the years. The Husky had the carbon composite. It was cool, but it seemed to fail. It was more likely to fail than the KTM subframe, and it wasn't cheap either. Guys, now these have the same subframe. It's not the exact same subframe, but it's the same design. It's got aluminum legs and it's got the polyamide top, and it seems like it's the best of both worlds so far. So You know, whether you want a Husky or KTM really comes down to just the brand that you like. If you're talking about factory editions, it's going to come down to really just which one is more pleasing to your eye. If you are talking about the base models, that's when you're really going to want to kind of sit on both, ride both, and if you love that lower suspension on the Husky, that's really your major decision factor between which bike is for you. As far as MSRP, I don't have that information yet, but as far as availability, they say early 2023. We saw a few early arrivals in late January last year. Mine actually didn't arrive last year till the end of April, so that was kind of a bummer. So I love the 2023 Husqvarna Rockstar FC450, guys. I think this is going to be the bike for the guy that's really loves the Husky brand, but doesn't really want that lowered suspension, that lower seat height, wants the bells and whistles. I definitely think that all these special edition models are going to sell extremely fast this year. So if you're interested in one of these, get to your local dealer and get a deposit down ASAP. Guys, let me know down in the comments what you think. Also, if you do happen to pick up a base model Husky, or maybe you already have one, this is our AMP wheel set right here, and this just happens to be the blue hub that's designed for the Husky, but we have these with an orange hub and a red hub as well. You can pick up a set of front and rear AMP wheels on our website, aomc.mx, for $6.99. You can use coupon code MXGuru, one word, and you can save 10%. So you're going to save $70 on this wheel set. It uses the same spec bearings as the OEM, so they're easy to find, and these things are pretty durable with the CNC machined hub and stainless steel spokes. So click on my link down below and check the wheel sets out from AMP. That's our in-house brand at AOMC. Anything you order off the website using my first link in my description will support this channel. Appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next video.